Now we will solve an exercise in which 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3 and 2 raised to the power 4. We will solve this. So 2 raised to the power 1, that means 2 is multiplied only one times. So answer is 2. 2 square is 4. 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 2 raised to the power 4 is equals to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 and 8 to the 16. Now here it is 2 raised to the power 0. It means that answer is 1. Similarly, there is one more exercise in which we will find 10 raised to the power 0, 10 raised to the power 1, 10 raised to the power 2, 10 raised to the power 3 and 10 raised to the power 4. So 10 raised to the power 1 is equals to 10, 10 raised to the power 2 is equals to 100, 10 raised to the power 3 is equals to 1000 and 10 raised to the power 4 is equals to 10,000. What will be the answer of 10 raised to the power 0? It is equals to 1. So from here we have reached at one conclusion that if power of a given number is 0, then the value of it will be 1. That means if a raised to the power 0, then answer will be 1. So 2 raised to the power 0, 1, 10 raised to the power 0, 1, 1 lakh raised to the power 0 is always equals to 1. Now suppose you have to multiply -2 and -2 two times. So your answer will be 2 to the 4, and when we multiply minus and minus it becomes plus. So answer is 4. Here we are multiplying this 2 for even times, and when we multiply a negative integer for 2 times our answer is positive. Now suppose if I have to multiply -2 for 3 times. So if I multiply -2 and -2, 2 to the 4 and it is positive, because if we multiply minus and minus it becomes plus. Then I have to multiply this -2 with 4. So 4 to the 8 and answer will be negative because 1 is positive and second one integer is negative integer. So my answer is -8. So in this case -2 is, we have multiplied -2 for odd times. In that case your answer is negative. Here your answer is positive, here your answer is negative. Now again suppose you have to multiply -2 for 4 times. That means you are multiplying a negative integer for even time. So your answer will be -2 multiplied by -2 is equals to 4. Multiply, this is -2 and here it is -2. Now multiply 4 and -2, your answer is -8 because one is positive integer and second one is negative integer, then this -2. Now multiply -8 and -2, so your answer will be 16 and 16 will be positive because if you multiply two negative integers our answer will be a positive integer. So if we multiply a negative integer for even time, again my answer will be positive. Here it is -2 is for even time, so my answer was positive. Here again if we are multiplying a negative integer for even time, again your answer is positive. Now we will take one more example in which we will take -2 for 5 times. So -2 multiply by -2 multiply by -2 multiply by -2 multiply by -2. 1 2 3 4 5. So here we have multiplied -2 for odd times. 5 times means odd times. Now we will multiply -2 multiplied by -2 is equals to 4. Multiply, this is -2 multiply -2 multiply -2. Now multiply 4 and -2, so answer is -8. Again this is -2 multiply by -2. Now multiply -8 and -2. So -8 and -2, if we multiply -8 and -2 it will be +16 and then -2. Now multiply 16 and -2, so your answer will be -32. So from here we have reached at one conclusion that if we multiply a negative integer for even time, our answer will be positive, and if we multiply a negative integer for odd time, our answer will be a negative integer. So we can write that if there is an integer whose power is n, so your answer will be a raised to the power n when n is a even number and it is minus a raised to the power n, means it will be a negative integer when n is odd. So this is the rule which you can write in your register. So suppose if I talk about minus 2 raised to the power 2, so my answer was plus 4, or you can write 2 raised to the power, your answer was plus 4, or you can write it 2 raised to the power 2 and answer will be positive. And suppose if your answer is if you have to multiply minus 2 for 3 times, so your answer is minus 8, or you can simply write it minus 2 raised to the power